Right, so here we are again today. We're going to be doing a nice vegetarian, simple, easy, creamy mushroom and broccoli gnocchi. And here's the ingredients that you'll need. So we're going to start off with this recipe. Instead of boiling the gnocchi, we're going to pan fry it. So we just want a little bit of olive oil. We're going to have it on a medium heat. So you use some packet gnocchi, straight in, and all we're going to do is fry this off for about 8 to 10 minutes and get a golden crisp to each side. Okay, so after about 7-8 minutes, we've fried that off to a little golden glow. Just going to knock this off, and we're just going to put this to one side so we can start doing the mushroom and broccoli sauce. Okay, so now we're just going to prep some of the ingredients. So we'll start off by chopping the garlic. And now we're just going to move on to dicing the onion. And then, save wasting, we're going to keep some parsley for later, but let's take these stalks away and we can use these now as well. So just roughly grab the stalks. So now, chop up the mushrooms, just roughly quarter them, will be fine. Okay, so that's all our ingredients prepped. So we'll just get a little bit, a drizzle of oil, and then we're just going to put our chopped mushrooms in, and we're just going to gently cook them on a medium heat. So now we've had them mushrooms going for about 3 to 4 minutes, we're going to add some onion. And we can also chuck in parsley stalks. So we're just trying to soften the onions just a little bit. And once we've fried them onions for a couple of minutes, we're going to add the garlic as well. So we're just going to leave that for a minute. So the next thing is we just want to add a vegetable stock pot. And then we want to add about 150 ml of water. We want to leave that now for 4 to 5 minutes, just let the sauce thicken up. While we're doing that, we can just also boil up the broccoli and cook that for 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, so this has been simmering and bubbling away now for about 8 minutes. What we're going to do is just turn it down to a lower heat. And now it's all about combining all our ingredients. So first of all, we're going to use creme fraiche. You could use sour cream, anything like that. Just give that a little stir. And also at the same time we can grate some Parmesan or just some Italian hard cheese, anything you've got your hand to. Want about 30 to 40 grams. And now we can start bringing everything together. So first of all, we're going to drop in the gnocchi. Just going to combine that in. Also, we need some black pepper. Essential, don't be shy with the black pepper. Plenty is good. And then we're just going to combine the broccoli. And we just want to stir that all together. Now we can take it off the heat. And then a little bit more Parmesan or Italian hard cheese. And then we're just going to chop in some parsley for the top. There we go. We have our creamy mushroom and broccoli gnocchi.